Hey guys, welcome to Monday's Threads. My name is Monde and I help simplify sewing for you. I also like to call myself a sewing confidence cultivator. So what does that look like? That looks like showing you simplified techniques to guarantee your sewing success. I will also help you zone in on your own unique style. Because just because something looks good on one person doesn't guarantee that it will look good on you. So be sure to like and subscribe so that we can get you on this journey and get you confidently sewing. If you have any questions or anything that you want me to touch on, be sure to leave me a comment and we will see what we can do in a video. I showcase most of my work on Monday's Threads on Instagram and I act a total fool on TikTok. Please be sure to follow me on my other social media platforms. Alright, I'll see you in my next video.